Hello, my name is Caleb Noller, and this is my Atlantean Puzzle Box.
The Atlantean Puzzle Box is a special kind of puzzle box, where the puzzles are solved both by moving around parts of the box and by interacting with the computer. It consists of the puzzle box itself, which is in the shape of a model ship. In the game scenario, it has recently been uncovered in an archaeological excavation and is mysteriously adapting to the modern electronics of the computer. It has an Arduino inside that powers the puzzle box electronics, a computer with the puzzle box software connected to the Arduino with a cable, and a letter that the player starts with to explain the scenario.
The puzzle box has various kinds of puzzles that require the player to investigate the mysteries both of the ship and the software. There are puzzles where you must connect pieces of information between the ship and the computer. Ones where you have to find hidden compartments in the ship.
Things slide.
Ones where you use the ship to interact with the computer.
Dude, it just rotated, did it? I thought you got to do that. Oh wow, look at that.
And the climax, where you must decipher the messages sent by the Atlanteans through the box and communicate with them using a Morse code-like system that you've deciphered.
Okay. Here I go. Coding master.
So for example, at this stage of the puzzle box, we've been matching the symbols on the screen with the symbols on the sides of the ship in the same orientation. But if we look around the ship, we find that only one of these symbols is correct. This over here. And so if we click that, we can see it's partially correct. But there's still more to this puzzle. So some hints that we've been given is that this top bit slides back. And so it must help us with this puzzle somehow. And we find that if we take this thing that we have found earlier in the puzzle and slot it in this part here, it actually forms a lever that rotates the ship the other way. And we can find that missing symbol that we couldn't find before. This L that matches the one in here. And we click that, and it's the correct answer.
This concept is something that really intrigues me. It combines the curiosity and intrigue of a physical object with the possibilities of a digital play space. The ship has a sense of mystery to it, secrets waiting to be uncovered, that the player can solve in a tactile, hands-on manner, moving parts around and uncovering new pieces of the puzzle. The computer, on the other hand, provides moments of surprise, things that the player didn't think were possible with just a physical object. It explores the histories objects could contain and how these objects can affect the present, and what further meanings they hold. It examines the idea of communication, how a physical object can communicate with a digital one, and how humans can use both of these things to communicate with one another. It explores language and how we can understand each other across time and space, and how meaning can be carried across various changing media.